Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today we will solve the example of actual gas turbine cycle with regeneration. Determine the thermal efficiency of the gas turbine described in previous example if regenerator having an effectiveness of 80% is installed. So by looking back at the previous example of actual gas turbine cycle, we sketch the TS diagram. So in TS diagram, in previous example, we have the temperature at the entrance of compressor as 300 and the entrance of turbine as 1300 Kelvin. And the compressor and turbine has an isentropic efficiency. Therefore, there will be T2A and T4A. But now for this question, we install the regenerator. Therefore, there will be and the regenerator have an effectiveness of 80%, which means it has an efficiency of 80%. So there will be 5S and 5A. You sketch 4A horizontally here and you will get TS 5 T5S, sorry. Okay, and please remember that T4A is equal to T5S. Okay, and please write down T5A, and T5A is lower than T5S. Without regeneration, we use Q in is equal to Cp T3 minus T2. But in this example, we have regenerator, therefore Q in will be reduced to Cp T3 minus T5A. So the question asks us to find the thermal efficiency. Okay, ideally, thermal efficiency for the Brayton cycle is W net, which is work of turbine minus work of compressor over Q in. Alright, Cp T3 minus T2A. This is the original thermal efficiency, and from previous example we have T1, T2A, T3 and T4A, but for this question we have regenerator, therefore we must change this equation from Cp T3 minus T2A to Cp T3 minus T5A. Cp T3 minus 5A. T5S should be here. Okay, so please remember this. Okay, the upper one is remain the same. Okay, now how to find T5S? We use the formula of effectiveness. The effectiveness is Q regen for actual divided Q regeneration maximum. So what is Q regen actual? Here, this is Q regen. So for actual is Cp T5 minus T2A, and for maximum is Cp T5S minus T2A. Please don't get confused between Q regeneration with Q in. Q in is here. Okay, so given here effectiveness is 80%, which means 0.8, and here T4A is equal to T5S. Okay, so we replace all the value. Okay, 0.8 is equal to T5A. We want to find T5A here minus T2A given here over T5S. Please remember that T5S is equal to T4A, right? Minus with T2A. Okay, then we will get T5A as 764.877 Kelvin. So we replace this value into this formula. then we will get the thermal efficiency as 35.65%, which is the thermal efficiency with regenerator is greater than previous examples. Thank you.